People are frequently startled to hear that Ripple and XRP, also known as the Ripple digital asset, are not synonymous. Because they have the same name and have similar origins, the misconception is natural. There are, however, significant discrepancies that must be addressed. Hey, and welcome back to XRP Hut, your hub for all news XRP related. If you want to stay up to date with everything related to XRP, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget clicking on the bell icon. This way, you will never miss a single video from us in the future. With that, let us begin with this video. We've established that XRP and Ripple cannot be used interchangeably. XRP is a digital asset, and Ripple is a business that developed the Ripple consensus ledger. So how does the performance of Ripple, the firm, impact the price of the XRP token? This is a difficult one, and opinions on the subject are divided. Let's begin. What exactly is Ripple? Ripple is, first and foremost, a private corporate software firm. The Ripple system, an open-source protocol that incorporates the Ripple Consensus Ledger or RCL and RippleNet, a suite of payment solutions products sold to banks, non-financial organizations, and digital currency exchanges, was founded and created by the firm. To facilitate the transfer of tokens representing fiat cash, cryptocurrency, or any other unit of value, the RCL employs distributed ledger technology. The protocol is totally open, which means that anybody can use it without prior permission from Ripple. It enables bank and non-bank players to implement the protocol into their own systems, effectively separating Ripple from the firm. Transactions are validated by network participants by consensus. What exactly is XRP? The RCL is sometimes mistaken with XRP, also called Ripple Digital Asset. XRP is a native token of the RCL that is used to facilitate money transfers between different currencies throughout the network. At its launch, 100 billion XRP units were generated, an official quantity that will neither rise nor decrease in accordance with its protocol. XRP was established before the establishment of Ripple Labs. The founders of XRP gave the corporation 80% of all XRP, while keeping 20 billion units for themselves. This feature of XRP is one of the reasons why banks and corporations have embraced digital currency. It cannot be mined since it is centralized. One of XRP's primary uses is as a bridge currency. When exchanging money, traditional settlement methods employ the USD as a common currency. XRP was created with the goal of one day replacing the USD as the preferred settlement currency for financial organizations. Exchange rate fees and margins can be reduced, and processing times are shortened by first converting the value of a fiat currency to the digital XRP rather than USD. Ripple and the XRP price. There is some connection between XRP and Ripple. Ripple's worth is inextricably linked to the market price of XRP since Ripple holds so many of the tokens. Ripple opted to store 55 billion of their XRP tokens in an escrow account last year as a gesture of good faith to other network members that they would not simply dump all of their XRP tokens one day, driving down the price. Ripple intends to escrow these XRP coins and sell them to new network participants. The greater the XRP price, the more money Ripple can make from its sale. Each transaction on the RCL loses a minuscule amount of XRP. The average fee is 0.00001 XRP. This transaction fee is used to protect the network from spam and denial of service attacks. The fee is not paid to anybody. The XRP is destroyed permanently. Because there are a limited number of XRP tokens available, the deletion of a small amount of XRP with each transaction makes XRP increasingly rare. Holders of XRP will gain in the long run as scarcity drives up the value of their tokens. The RCL transaction cost is adjustable and may be modified by revisions. Importantly, as the value of XRP rises, the quantity of XRP destroyed with each transaction decreases. While it is hard to determine when XRP will cease to exist, it is reasonable to assume it will not be soon. Estimates range from a few decades to a few hundred years, which is a very long time. The fact that Ripple has incorporated flexibility in the XRP charge schedule implies that they will want to reduce this price as transaction volumes grow in order to ensure the protocol survival. Is it possible for Ripple to exist without XRP? Ripple as a corporation might survive in the absence of XRP. Ripple also developed a suite of technologies called RippleNet, which are sold to banks, payment providers, and digital asset exchanges as a seamless method to transmit money internationally. Xcurrent, Xrapid, and Xvia are all part of the RippleNet ecosystem. Some of these methods do not necessitate the use of XRP. Ripple's bank-to-bank cross-border settlement solution is Xcurrent. Its liquidity solution for payment providers is XRapid, and XVIA is a standardized component for institutions who wish to transmit payments across many networks is XVIA. Companies in both Xcurrent and XVIA can utilize XRP for enhanced liquidity if they want to, but it is not needed. XRapid is the only application that needs the use of XRP. The Ripple Consensus Protocol cannot exist without XRP, yet it may survive if Ripple, the firm, fails. The RCL accepts fiat cash, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and any other unit of value, such as frequent flyer miles or mobile minutes. However, before you can transact on the Ripple protocol, you must first load your digital wallet with a modest quantity of XRP, about 20. That minimal quantity of XRP will stay in your wallet eternally. You will not be able to remove less than that amount. Although your protocol transaction may not include XRP at all, such as trading Australian dollars for US dollars, the fact that XRP is necessary for wallet activation makes it an essential component of the protocol. Finally, XRP remains a completely autonomous digital asset that operates independently of the Ripple firm and the RC. How to mine XRP. Most blockchain-based cryptocurrencies employ a distributed verification technique known as mining. It allows both transactions and offers the method for introducing additional money into a cryptocurrency system, typically as a reward to verifiers for their efforts in maintaining the network. For example, Bitcoin has a total supply limit of 21 million tokens, which are gradually distributed as more transactions are validated. XRP, on the other hand, was pre-mined, which means that the XRP ledger generates 100 billion tokens that are then issued publicly on a regular basis. Ripple holds around 6% of it as an incentive to help the cryptocurrency expand and succeed over time. Another 48% is kept in reserve for regular release into the market through sales. Understandably, this has raised fears that a large amount of XRP may be issued at once, diluting the value of other XRP currently in circulation, because one of the factors that determines the value of any currency is its scarcity. How to make use of Ripple and XRP. You may use XRP in the same way that you would any other digital currency for transactions or as a possible investment. You might also utilize the Ripple network to handle other sorts of transactions, such as currency exchange. For example, if you want to exchange USD for euros, you might first exchange your USD for XRP via the Ripple network and then use them to buy euros, rather than dealing with the currency exchange directly through a bank or money-changing institution. This might be a more faster and less expensive option than paying the exorbitant fees that banks and money transfer companies may demand. So at the end, I would conclude, Ripple is a money transfer network that was created to meet the demands of the financial services sector. XRP, a cryptocurrency designed to operate on the Ripple network, has frequently ranked among the top 5 cryptocurrencies in terms of market value. Despite its objectives, Ripple is now embroiled in legal issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission, yet this hasn't stopped XRP from skyrocketing in value alongside other cryptos. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you still haven't, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, and share this with your friends as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.